Today we're gonna make lamb rice. It's a one-pot wonder. It's one of my favorite dishes out of my new cookbook, The Simple Art of Rice. Master the simple art of rice with me, Chef JJ, OXO chef in residence. I believe rice is culture. You can go any place you wanna go, and there always will be a significant rice dish in that place that brings people together. Or that might even introduce you to the culture. The most important step is washing or rinsing your rice. I have this beautiful rice and grain colander. I have my pop rice measuring cup here, which is gonna give you a perfect cup of rice. Scoop this out, 2 cups of rice into here. Put this right back on top, never leaves your side. Keeps the rice beautifully sealed. And then I'm just gonna go right to the sink and I'll wash our rice. It's so important to wash your rice. You wash your vegetables, you wash your mushrooms, you wash your chicken. It's important to wash your rice. The rice is grown in a field, there's a lot of water, it's then in a factory, it's in bagged, it's in transported. It's been a lot of places, so just to scoop it out of a container and put it into the pot, no, you always wash your rice first. And then you put your finger on top of the rice, and then you pour your liquid, and then you bring the liquid right here to the top of your knuckle. You put your top on, bring it to the stove, put it on medium heat, 22 minutes, it's done.
Lamb rice, take 5.
I love fresh nutmeg, just right here, grated. So, you know, nutmeg's that ingredient that you don't use a lot of all the time. So freshly grating it is amazing. All right, here's the magic, everybody. I'm add a little bit more oil. Then my rinsed, washed rice right out of the grain and rice colander right into the pot. Listen, you'll start to hear the rice start to pop, AKA toasting the rice. It's getting all that flavor. It's absorbing all of the flavor, all of the lamb fat, all the spices, okay? I haven't squatted down yet, 3 cups. You don't have to go down like this anymore and look all close to make sure it's angled and is perfect for whatever recipe you're doing. We just add our liquid right in, just like that. We put the top on, drop this to low, medium heat, and let it cook. You guys hear that? Oh, look at the pistachios right here. Starting to toast up really well. I'm gonna shake this around, kind of coat it all around in the butter. Really nice. All the pistachios right out the pan. Come on, everybody, that looks beautiful. Break up those dates. So we fluffed it. I like to put the top back on and let it steam out for about 3 minutes. And it will be beautiful and will taste. All right, look how perfect this rice looks. Come on. This is what mastering rice looks like. Sweet from the dates, those aromatics from the nutmeg, the cumin, and the cinnamon, and the crunch from the pistachios. And this is what the spice lamb rice dish can do. Make your life easier, the right pot, washing your rice, toasting it like popcorn, adding in some of your favorite ingredients, and you'll fall in love, trust me.